Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Solution Stack, where we discuss the solutions to our technical problems. Today we're going to discuss about the swelling in my laptop battery. I have a Dell Inspiron laptop where the battery is swelling up, and we'll discuss about what I did to solve the problem. This is my Dell Inspiron 15-inch laptop. In my previous video you can see how the swelling battery creates a problem. I was showing you here like it was swelling up, and the touchpad was coming up. It was creating all sorts of problem to the laptop. Once I opened the laptop, I realized the battery was having the problem, and I will show you the bad battery and what I did. This is the bad battery. See, it's swelling up, and as you can see, this created a lot of problem in my laptop. It was just bulging, and then because of this swelling problem, the touchpad was just coming out of my laptop. So this is the old one. So what we did, I tried. So as you guys know, I was out of warranty, and this battery caused this swelling problem, right? So what I wanted to do, try to convince Dell that this is a manufacturing defect and it is causing a hazardous situation for me. It can cause fire, or it can cause all sorts of problems, just to prove my point and get the replacement for free. I also did some online research and found that there are some recalls for this kind of situation. And I did give it a try. I tried to talk to like multiple representatives. Finally it worked, and they were kind enough to send me the replacement. So the key here is to try with multiple representatives, try to prove your point that how you think as a customer it's an inconvenience and hazardous situation for you, and finally you may be able to convince them. In my case, I was able to convince, and maybe it will work for you as well. They send me 2 packets, and let's see what are all those packets. One package is this one, which is the battery, I believe, yes, and the other one is the to return the old and the damaged battery return kit inside, right? So that's about it. It's pretty simple. So let me open it and show you what's inside. Let's first just keep it on the side. So this is what you get inside. Okay, this looks like this is the battery return packet, where you put the battery in, and they have some instructions how you can return the battery. And this is the packet, actually, battery return kit. So I will show you once I put it inside. Let's first install the new battery and see. Okay, the return is pretty simple. It's nothing very complicated. Let me put it aside. Now let's open the battery. This is the battery they have sent me. Let's open it. Okay, it's just usual receipt of the battery. I think, yep, that's what it is. And yeah, this is a brand new battery. As you can see, it's properly padded and packed really nice. Okay, let's put it on the side and then try to install the new battery. This is the same battery like my old one. This is 42 watt hour, and this is also 42 watt hour. So this is the same battery. This battery, thank God, there is no swelling problem. It's a brand new battery. Let's open the laptop and see. So this laptop, to open it is pretty simple. You just have to have a Phillips screwdriver like this, and then you just keep opening this screws one after another like this. I always try to have a magnet next to me to hold the screws, but today I'm being a little lazy, and I'm just keeping it on the side. But having a magnet is very helpful, so that you can organize your screws at one place. You can see it from this part. If you lift it, it's very easy. Now you can just guide your way. Make sure none of the screws are tight. Some screws, if you feel tight, you just spend a little more time to unscrew them, like this one and then this one. See, so now you just put it on the side. This is the laptop. When you open it, I can also share with you what's inside a 15-inch laptop like this. So that's also can be helpful. So this is my NVMe SSD, which is a 512 gigabyte SSD. This is a 1 terabyte SSD. This is 512 GB NVMe SSD, and this is the fan, which is probably dirty enough. We'll clean it. It's not too bad, but it's okay. These are the memory modules, 2 RAMs you have here. This is two 16 GB and 16 GB it has, and that's pretty much it. And this is the place for the battery that we bought. We'll put it here. I have kept the screws here. Actually, if you see 1, 2, and the third screw, 3 here. So we will use the battery. Let's install the battery. Just have to hold like this, and then can you show here? Have to slide in. Okay, see, it just slides right in, right? Once it slides in, you just have to align the position. This is perfect. So we will align it, and then we'll place like this. That should be perfect. Just screw on, then everything else should follow properly. I have put 2 screws, and I think this is the third one I will just put. Fourth one is missing. So that's pretty much it. So now it's all connected. I hope it will work. I will show you after connecting to the lap, switching on the power. But that's pretty much it. I'll just cover it. That's pretty much it. Let me power it on. Looks like there is no battery. I think I have to charge it. Okay, I will just power it on and show you guys later. With the new battery in, just pressing the power button will not turn on your laptop. In my case, I really needed to connect the power adapter before I can turn on the laptop. Something to just keep in mind in case you run into the same issue. So I'm gonna check the battery level, and it shows 29%, and it shows the battery is also charging, so which is a good sign. That means the battery seems to be functioning really well. So the next thing I wanted to check is within my Dell battery application, where it shows the battery health to be normal, which is a good sign. These are the things you can check on your end when you install a new battery, and everything looks normal. So looks like the battery is functioning as expected. I have put the defective battery here. Now I'm going to slide inside this, and then just ship it back. Okay, first you have to remove this, and then fold these two, and then put it on top, and then press it firmly like this, right? So it's done. It's a pre-sorted label. So postage is already paid for, and then you just have to put it in the post box, so that they can take it back. Right. I hope you like the video. If you do, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and have a great day. Thank you.